Hello everybody and thank you for tuning into my channel. So from the description you have already known that I'm going to do the Walmart haul today, and I have very exciting products and some regular household products to show you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So the first thing I'm starting here is a tool. You can say it's a personal care tool, and this, since it has the barcode and the sticker on both sides, you cannot see, but this is actually a nose shaper, and I found this one on TikTok. Someone was wearing it, and then they show the result, and it looked amazing. So I bought it. I don't know if it really works, but if it does, then it this is going to eat all the money, all the surgeons money, since nobody is gonna go for the rhinoplasty. Okay, so you can see on the picture it looks like it fits really well on the face, but mine was a little bit bigger. It was going above the mid of the eyebrow section on my face, like to the temple area, so it was going there. But yeah, if it works, then it's gonna be amazing. This is made with silicone, so it's not too harsh on your nose, but since I wear the nose pin, it was a little bit difficult. So anyways, I found it on TikTok, and that's why I bought it from Walmart. You can also find it in on Amazon. And since I'm talking about Walmart, you can add me on I mean, since I'm talking about TikTok, you can add me on TikTok. The description is below. Next thing is this Mars Doctor Screen Roller needles, and this is, I think, 0.25 needles. And this is a derma roller, and the derma roller is good for your skin. It tightens the skin, minimizes the pore, and a lot of things that it can do. You can see the holograph, so I believe it was like a legit thing. But since I was kind of worried because the brand that I ordered on Walmart wasn't the same brand that it came. It wasn't the Mars Doctor that I ordered online. That one it was showing. So I think they make multiple brands at the same place. So they just gave me this one. Although the photos, the tool looks the same, and yes, I bought it because I have a lot of blemishes and I have acne problem and I have large pores, so I just thought like I'll give it a try. And I thought like I can use this needles one, and trust me, it's not really sharp or something. You won't feel anything, you just feel like you're rolling something on the skin. So yeah, I found this and I thought like I will use this, and then after this I can use a serum on my face, so the serum will penetrate really easily. Now here you can see the handle is very good, it's anti-slip, so I didn't had any problem using it. I have used it a couple of times now, and I do wash this. I use this isopropyl alcohol to clean it. So yeah, this is the vitamin C serum that I bought. This is from Tree of Life, and I have seen a very good ratings about this one. I think it has almost 5 stars. So I bought this one because vitamin C can brighten your skin. So it is really good for your skin, and I needed a vitamin C since I'm out of my last one. So I will be out of my last one, so I bought this one. And this company is so amazing. They actually gave me a coupon, and with that they gave me this hyaluronic acid. So once I have to go to their email and add the coupon code, and I have to email them with the coupon code and the product that I bought, and then they will send a free gift. That's what they said, and I did that, and I was expecting like a sample size product, but this is like a full size product. Anyways, next thing here I have is this hair color, and this is from Nice and Easy, and I actually already used it. So my hair is very very dark, and all the colors that I use on my hair doesn't show up only unless I'm outside in the sun. So I thought this time I will just use half of it, and then after a month I will just recoat my hair with another layer of color. Like, I mean, just color my hair again just to make it lighter. I don't want to go to this salon because I have been there a couple of times. I have been to different salons a couple of times, and for my hair color it was like too many years ago, like a decade ago. And both the times I started having hair fall, a lot of hair fall. Even like when I was holding my hair, I was getting hairs on my hand, hair strands. So since then I have been a little scared, and I wasn't using hair color, but then I started using it by myself. I know it doesn't color the way the salon people do it, but I don't want to ruin my hair. I just want to have a little bit of color since my hair looks so dark and my hair doesn't catch color that easily. So yes, I used half of it and then I saved half of it to use it later. And this is the highlighter also I got from Walmart. This is in the shade Honey, and I know it looks very light, but since the color doesn't appears on my hair, I just thought like I'll take the light color that will at least have a little bit of effect. So I haven't used it yet because I have to do another coat of that color, the hair color, and then once it's done, then only I will use this one. Also, I want to let you know that most of the products that I have shown you in this haul or in this video are the one that I'm using for the first time, so I haven't used that before. Anyway, so this highlighter comes with this hair cap and then this applicator, so I think it's gonna make it easy for me to apply the hair color. I just want like the thin highlight, not the thicker one, and here you can see how the color would appear, but I'm pretty much sure that it's not gonna be like that. So once I'm done with my color, I can start on this one. Next thing is this Crest mouthwash, and I know everyone uses mouthwash, there's nothing big about it, but I just wanted to show you since it's in my haul. This is the one I bought this time. This is the alcohol free and it is enamel care, so it has a lot of benefit. You can see here at the bottom it says what it has. So yeah, I'm gonna give it a try because my teeth are very sensitive and I just wanted something without alcohol. I have bought two of these, one for the upstairs washroom and the other one is for the downstairs washroom. And I have used the other brand from Crest before and have used the Walmart brand also before, but this is the first time I will be trying this one. Next thing I have is this Neutrogena shampoo T-Cell, which is therapeutic shampoo with salicylic acid. And this I bought for my husband because my husband's scalp is very dry, itchy and flaky, and he has been using the regular anti-dandruff shampoo, but it's not working on him. He has been trying that for like few months now, so I just thought like we'll give this a try, and if this doesn't work, he'll have to go see a doctor. I was expecting this to be a bigger size, but it's not. Anyways, moving on, this is the Dr. Teal's moisturizing bath and body oil, and this is with eucalyptus and spearmint and with jojoba oil. I don't know if it's jojoba or jojoba. Anyways, so I think this is gonna be very calming and relaxing, and I have always used the lotion, so this is the first time I will be trying the oil. Okay, next thing I have is this Maybelline eye pencil. And this is in velvet black color, and I was expecting this to be a little bit bigger, but it's not. Anyways, this was the duo, so I thought like, and the price was also not that bad, so I just thought like to give it a try. I needed a eye pencil, and most of the eye pencil I don't like because it's smudge, and this one had good rating, so I bought it. But then I think like this also smudges very fast. So you can see here I did a swatch, and then after a minute I tried to smudge it, and then it did smudge. So I don't know if I can use it on my eyes or I can just use it as for my eyebrow. Okay, next thing is this vitamin D tablets, and since my doctor said my vitamin D is very 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 low, I need some tablets. I got this 5000 IU, which is 125 mcg, and this dissolves in the mouth, so I don't have to take it with water. I don't really drink a lot of water, and that is in strawberry flavor, so which is good. I like the strawberry flavor, and I think it's working because I used to have pain on my joints, but now I'm not having it anymore. So I believe this is working. This is the second time I have bought this one. Okay, next thing is the biotin, and biotin I think is very important. Lately I messed up my diet and I was having a lot of hair loss, so I bought biotin, and this one is as you can see it is 10,000 mcg, which is I think more than 33,000%. I have used another biotin tablet in the past, but that was not really that good for me. This is the one I use in the past. This is the Glow Habit, and I wanted vegan tablets, so that's why I bought this one. This one has I think 16,000% of biotin, but yeah, I don't think it was. Oh, actually, this one has just 8,000%. So yeah, this one was I think very good compared to the other one. Next thing is this folate tablets, and as you all know, folate tablets are very good for everyone, and especially for women's health, it's really important. So I bought this one. Again, I got the biotin tablets, two boxes, and then the this one also I got two of them. So yeah, that's it for my personal care items, and I'm going to move on to the kitchen items. But before that, I just want to show you this massaging belt. I think that's what you can call it. I bought this one for my brother-in-law, so that's why I don't have it with me to show you. So I took the pictures here. I got one for myself from Amazon, but this one was a little bit better, although it was a little bit expensive in the price, not too much, but a little bit. But then this one has the speed button, so one can adjust the speed. Anyways, moving on to the kitchen items. So the first and the only food item that I have is this flaxseed that I got from Walmart, and this is the Walmart brand. It's an organic flaxseed powder, and to be honest, I don't like the taste of flaxseed, so I don't know if I'm going to use it. Next thing, this is amazing actually, because this one was only for 88 cents, or less than $1 it was, and I bought this cutting board for my cutting the meat items, because I don't want to have the cross contamination using the same cutting board for my veggies and for my meat. So this is going to be for my meat items only. Moving on to the next item, this is the air fryer from Instant, and I was actually having a thought of whether I should purchase it or not, because I don't know if it's going to be useful for me, or and then I have to spend a lot of money. But then I ended up buying it, and actually, to be honest, I was correct. I didn't needed the air fryer that much. I have used it 3 times so far, and I like the food in the cooked here. But the thing is, like, the food gets a little bit dry. If you have air fryer, you know that the food gets dry, plus it has a little bit of smell, so I don't like those things. But anyways, this was a good size. I can fit a whole chicken in there. And also, if you want to bake something really small for just like 1 person or 2 person, you don't have to use your entire oven. You can just use this one. This way the cleanup is very easy, and then you end up saving time and electricity, I would say. Next item is this oven cleaner from Walmart brand, and this one was suggested to me by my elder sister. She used this one in yellow color. I think that one has the lemon scent. This one does not have any scent, I believe. But this one is very good. I use it for my stove top and also for my oven, for both of them. And with that, I use this Ajax bleach, powder bleach, and I use it for my kitchen sink area mostly. I have got 3 of these, so one is for the kitchen area, and then the other 2 are for the other 2 washrooms. um, with that, I have got this Barkeeper's Friend cleanser, and you can see the photo here, the before and after photos, and it looks very good. I have heard people raving about this product. I have never used it, so I want to give it a try for my pots and pans mostly, and I don't know what else I can use it for. It has a lot of use. This is a multi-purpose product, so you can see here this has the kitchen use, bathroom use, and I cannot see the other one. Anyways, yeah, so you can use it for a lot of things. You just follow the instruction and use it. So this is the first time I'm going to try it, so let's see how it works. Anyways, next thing is this washcloth, and this is the pack of 18 washcloths in this. Plus this is actually awesome, because this was less than $4, I think, and plus it is different colors, so I can keep the colors according to the place. So I can keep the one color for the sink area, kitchen sink area, and then the other one for the stove area. And I don't know if it's very good material. It does say 100% cotton, but I don't know how long it will survive. But I don't mind, because I do like to throw them often, since it gets very greasy being at the kitchen area. Okay, next thing is this grill cleaner that I got. It's from Easy Off. I have used this one before, and then I got this one. I just wanted to clean my grill one more time before I keep it covered for the next 6 months, since it's going to snow here. So I just thought to give it a try. I mean, clean it before it gets snowy here. Okay, moving on to the third category and the last category. This is the household items, and the first thing here is the tea light candles. This one is amazing because it's less than $4, I think, and there are 100 tea light candles. And I recently got the candle warmer from Dollar Tree, so I wanted this one for this. This one has the tray, so it's perfect because the one I used that did not have tray and it just melted on the candle warmer and looks ugly. Anyways, next thing is this isopropyl alcohol, and this is also the Walmart brand, and I bought this one because of my derma roller. I want to clean my derma roller with this isopropyl alcohol, just to make sure that it's clean and it's bacteria free, because I don't want to poke myself with that and get infected. Anyways, yeah, so I bought two of these also. Okay, again, next item also I have two of these, and this is the Lysol brand toilet bowl cleaner. I have never used this brand before. I use the Clorox cleaning gel and then the Dollar Tree brand. So this is the first time I'm going to give it a try. Okay, next item is this OxyClean, and this is also surprisingly I have never used it before. I'm going to use it for the first time. And there is this channel Clean My Space, and I know all of you know about this channel. I have shown different ways to use it for different items, so that's why I want to give it a try. And with that, they also showed like using baking soda for cleaning stuff, so I got this one. I got the 4 pound bag because baking soda you can use for almost everything. I do use it for my sink also with the vinegar and hot water, but I don't trust that much. I use other items also with that. So yeah, I got the baking soda, and you can see there is a tear here. Because of that, the most of the powder um, uh, came out, and it got on the delivery box. Here you can see, and with that you can also understand that this is the empty box, so that means it's the end of this haul. I hope you guys like this haul, and I thank you so much for watching my video. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay safe and take care. Bye.